This four-wheeler we got from the auction quite a few years back. And when we got it, it was in running condition, to say the least. Now, can we make this four-wheeler any better than it currently is?
Okay, let's get into the specs of this bad boy. The Hisun four-wheeler comes from China with a single overhead cam, 400cc 4-stroke engine, and about 15 horsepower and 18 pounds of torque, and a 7-gallon fuel tank to feed this monster.
This would be the perfect ATV for any beginning rider, or someone that's a little more timid. And we have spared no expense on our top-of-the-line Harbor Freight 2,500-pound winch.
A Kenzo single-barreled carburetor that sends fuel and air to this 400cc engine, sending 15 brake horsepower down this driveline, giving us our 18 pounds of torque divided to all 4 wheels.
The 8 inches of ground clearance on this Hisun ATV come from being structurally supported by a rear swing arm construction, double A-arms in the front with adjustable shocks all the way around. Hydraulic brakes in both front and back stop these 12-inch wheels. Previously on Project Sullivan, we were back to Uncle Scotch's bathroom, which means tile. This time we are racing a deadline. Gogo has not got a chance to watch NASCAR live all season, and in an attempt to make both sides happy, I bet Gogo we could lay all the tile before the race at Talladega had a chance to start. He accepted. After walking through how to lay tile and get some of the tile laid, I lost the bet and had to finish laying the tile myself. Why did the director want to put Scrabble tiles on the floor? So they could have a play on words.
I started my new job at a coffee shop, spilled some coffee, and the owner said, "Don't worry, we can wipe the slate clean."
After a few jokes to break up the work, we got back to it. Special thanks to a call from McCaw 911, who was there to walk us through how to measure for the amount of tile we needed, how tile was priced, and different ways we can budget to get tile for our own home. I hope in this week's Project Sullivan that Logan shows his real talent on working on things. It's going to be more of a test. I'm going to be the cameraman this time. I don't know how I feel about that. I guess we'll see how that goes.
Alright.
So what are we doing now, Gogo?
I think we're bleeding the brakes.
So what do we need?
A water bottle and a piece of line.
We've made our own makeshift collector for the brake fluid.
We're not paying 20 bucks for one?
We need to get a wrench for this right here, Gogo. This is our bleeder on our disc brakes. Okay, Gogo. What are we doing first?
Bleeding the brakes, like I said last time.
Yeah, but what do you do first on bleeding the brakes?
Well, I don't know.
The little connector right there.
First try.
Yep, that's why I told you to make sure there was a 5/16 on there. And then when you stop tightening it, use the other side, the box side.
It broke.
Did it break?
No, that's not what I mean. It broke.
No, it broke loose.
Yeah.
Okay, we're good. Alright, now put the hose on it. We can use any little piece of hose or whatever to do this. So put your hose back on the connector, Gogo. We do have our assistant with us today, the lovely Nikki.
Okay.
Okay, pump it. Now, what are we looking for right now, Gogo?
Both brakes, Nikki.
No, just the foot brake.
Oh.
That hose might be not working. Might be too long. Oh, nope, it's coming out. It took a while though. That's because it's such a long hose. Maybe I ought to cut it. Ew! Ew! Gross!
Okay, this is this one.
It's amazing what a little bit of vacuum hose in a bottle will do.
That's how much I can touch.
Okay, now pump it. Is it getting harder? Is it getting harder? Okay, hold it down. Okay, pump it fast. Tell me when it gets hard.
It's already like started.
Okay, pump it.
Okay, now.
Now hold it down. Are you holding it down?
Yeah.
Pump it. Okay, hold it down. Let me know if it gets easy.
Brakes work!
Tighten it with the wrench. Yep, now we gotta do the front. Wait. Okay. Yeah. You can see we got a CV joint that's bad. Just the boot looks like. Yeah, we're brake fluid.
Good thing over there we bought some more DOT4.
Huh, I wonder why we can't get any brake pressure. We're gonna fill this up halfway for now, so maybe we can leave the top off.
Closed!
There we go. More. Just crack it. About a quarter turn, that's all it needs.
Okay.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yep, there it is. Tighten it. Okay, that's good. Crack it loose, Gogo. There you
Okay.
go. Tighten up. Down. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and take the bottle off. That one is easy. It must have still had brake fluid in it. Ah! And I lost that screw forever. Gogo, can you grab it? Filming. Alright, our brakes are good. Now. So what is it you're wanting to get done today, Gogo, until we start again tomorrow?
Take the carburetor off.
You want to take the carburetor off today?
I want to see if it'll start without taking the carburetor off. Let's bring the fuel on first.
Okay, let's drain the fuel then.
Get the drill.
Real quick.
Can I use the drill?
Yeah. Take the gas cap off.
Oh!
The screw that Gogo forgot.
We gotta check the oil. The oil dipstick is what tells us how much oil's in there. Don't. Okay, well here, let me show you. Right here. Now you see our little line right there? Right here? That's where the oil's gotta be. Okay, now wipe it off with the rag. So now put it back in and tighten it down. You want to make sure your bike is level, that way it gives you the right oil reading. Where's the oil at? Oh, that's pretty good, huh? Go ahead and wipe it back off because we don't want to get any dirt in the engine.
Completely. There you go.
Now put it back in the engine and tighten it up. Let me be fair, JT loosened it on me once and I got gas all over myself
Got it.
because of it.
That's true.
It's coming
Along.
out!
Yay!
It's coming out. He wants the world to know.
I know.
Okay, that side's off right there. So what's this? It's the air filter. Holy vacuum leak, Batman. Let me know what this is in the comments below if you all know.
Yeah, and if it's something bad, tell us like right now.
Is it a breather? Gogo, we need to disconnect the hose coming from the fuel tank and drain the fuel tank. How are we going to do that? Maybe it's coming from the fuel pump. If anyone can tell me in the comments below why that's wrong.
Okay, so what do we gotta do?
Right here, you're going to take this hose off from the carburetor.
Who's
The
this?
pliers are on top of the fender. First, you got to take off the world's worst kind of hose clamp. There you go. Our filler hose.
I didn't get long enough piece.
It's fine. That's close enough. Now, what we're going to use is this valve.
I failed.
You have to keep it on.
Yep, you got to keep it in one piece.
Can I do it?
Now, yeah, let Nikki hold that. You got to keep it together. Don't let it spill. And then you got to put it in here where those two holes are. Okay, now we're going to drain the gas using the fuel on-off valve, hopefully. There we go. How do you guys drain your carburetors of old gas?
20 minutes later.
I don't have to hold it.
Eventually.
Still has fuel.
Alright, let me turn it to the reserve and finish draining it.
Oh.
Okay.
Alright, well now that, while that's still draining, we're gonna be over here checking the air filter.
If he can get
If that
it
clamp
off.
wants to come off. Got this, smooth.
That's better than the drill bit I was going to use.
Okay, that's... So that's...
Apparently it's not so much an air filter anymore. Don't stand in front of the camera, Nikki.
This is gonna take a while.
No doubt.
Don't speak. I know what you're thinking, and I don't need your reason. Don't tell me he's gonna burn it all down. No, no.
I think I feel heat. I think I see heat.
How's that?
Probably good enough. For now. Yep, let's see if it'll bust over. Hold on. Where's the choke?
Right there.
The choke all the way out? Okay, hold it out.
Okay.
Just hold the throttle down when you do that.
Okay.
Oh, you know what? Duh.
Oh, yeah, that might help.
I should probably turn the fuel on. Go ahead.
Might have to run the carburetor.
Right there.
Got it!
Thank you for watching this week's episode of Project Sullivan. Tune in next week where maybe we could take this thing out for a joyride.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you here next time, here on Project Sullivan.